Students, welcome to MKG Online Study, an e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to learn bus topology. Bus topology is usually used when a network installation is small, simple or temporary as shown in this figure. On a typical bus network, the cable is just one or more wires without no active electronics to amplify the signal or pass it along from computer to computer. This makes the bus a passive topology. When one computer sends a signal up the cable, all other computers on the network receive the information. But the one with the address that matches the one encoded in the message accepts the information while all others reject the message. The speed of the bus topology is slow because only one computer can send a message at a time. A computer must wait until the bus is free before it can transmit. The bus topology requires a proper termination at both the ends of the cable. Since the bus is a passive topology, the electrical signal from a transmitting computer is free to travel the entire length of the cable. Without termination, when the signal reaches at the end of the cable, it returns back and travels back up the cable. The transmitted waves and reflected waves, if they are in phase, add, and if they are out of phase, cancel. Thus, adding and cancellation of the wave leads to what is called a standing wave. The standing waves can distort the normal signal, which can travel along the cable. The standing waves are overcome by attaching terminators at both the ends of the cable. The terminators absorb the electrical signal and stop reflection. Characteristics of the bus topology. Bus topology has multi-point configuration. There are more than two devices connected to a medium and they are capable of transmitting on the medium. And the medium access control is essential for the bus topology. Signal strength of the transmitted signal should be adequately high so as to meet the minimum signal strength requirement of the receiver. Adequate signal to noise ratio should be maintained. The signal should not be too strong. Transmission media for bus LANs are twisted pair, optical fiber, baseband coaxial cable, broadband coaxial cable. Advantages: ease of installation. A bus uses less cabling than mesh or star topology. Disadvantages include difficult reconnection and fault isolation, difficult to add new devices, signal reflection at the taps can cause degradation in quality. This degradation can be controlled by limiting the number and spacing of device connected to a given length of cable. Adding new device may therefore require modification or replacement of the backbone. In addition, a fault or break in the bus cable stops all transmission even between devices on the same side of the problem. The damaged area reflects signal back in the direction of the origin, creating noise in both directions. So, bus topology is very simple. You can see this in this particular diagram that three stations are connected through drop line and tap in the cable end. Thank you for watching